Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks for living a healthy and happy life. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite foods, peanuts. Peanuts are not only delicious, but also have many amazing health benefits that you may not know about. So let's get started. Peanuts are actually legumes, not nuts. They belong to the same family as beans, lentils, and soybeans. They originated in South America and have been cultivated for thousands of years. Peanuts are rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They can help lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation, as well as improve your brain function and mood. One of the most impressive benefits of peanuts is that they can help prevent diabetes. Peanuts have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels after eating them. This can help regulate your insulin production and prevent insulin resistance. Studies have shown that eating peanuts can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes in women. Another benefit of peanuts is that they can help prevent gallstones. Gallstones are hard deposits that form in your gallbladder or bile ducts. They can cause pain, nausea, vomiting, and even blockage of the bile flow. Peanuts contain a type of fat called oleic acid, which can dissolve cholesterol crystals in your gallbladder and bile ducts. This can reduce the risk of developing gallstones or ease their symptoms. Peanuts also have many other benefits for your health. They can boost your memory by providing antioxidants that protect your brain cells from damage. They can help prevent depression by increasing the levels of serotonin and dopamine in your brain. They can promote weight loss by making you feel full with fewer calories. They can help promote healthy skin by moisturizing it and preventing acne. They can help reduce stroke risk by lowering the levels of homocysteine in your blood. They can help prevent stomach cancer by inhibiting the growth of bacteria that cause ulcers. They can contribute to a healthy pregnancy by providing folate and iron to support fetal development. And they can promote the well-being of your heart by lowering the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in your blood. As you can see, peanuts are truly a superfood that can benefit your health in many ways. You can enjoy them raw or roasted as a snack, or add them to salads, stir-fries, soups, desserts, or smoothies. You can also make peanut butter or peanut oil from them for more variety. I hope you learned something new today and found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next